This is our project find.us, and this holiday we believe that it's all about finding new experiences, and what is a better experience than finding new people. So we've built this app that lets you find new people near you. So this is the map, and it shows locations of all the cool performances or people that are near you. So it can be like finding Santa Claus or a music performance or something like that. So this guy is playing music live. Then you click here, it shows address, and this is how it shows cool performances near you. Then it also lets you add your own performance, and this is how. So let's see. And like, let's search for a nice location. So here we are using like radar.io's autocomplete API, and it's really good. So this is like the gateway hotel thing where I would be performing. So next, and this is like the final details, and I book a slot here. Then I go back, and here it is. I am Santa. So this is how you can find like cool people around you.